Drag bike racers are used to this kind of thing. This is what a weekend sometimes looks like at the drags in between qualifying runs. Woo! A little bit of a wet day out there, but boy, do I have a story for you and a Harley Davidson that could possibly break the internet, and oh, by the way, one that you could own. Harley Davidson fans, man, do I have a story for you. It is your boy Jack Corpella from Cycle Drag here at Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson in St. Petersburg, Florida. Well, I don't know if you've been following along with this wild, crazy build that Bert King has done. If you don't know Bert King, he's the charismatic leader here at Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson, and he loves to be a little different. He loves to give back. So this Harley build was all for charity. Now, it wasn't just any Harley build. We're talking about a 135 cubic inch supercharged, that's right, I said supercharged road glide built by the great Blockhead. Well, what happened was a little bit unexpected. Blockhead finished the build, brought it here to Bert's. Another YouTuber who we know, Shade Tree, he was out on a test ride and the thing blew up.
One of the most important exercises you can practice while riding your Harley is to maximize your freedom.
The best news is Shade Tree was okay, because as motorcycle people, we know this could have went terribly wrong. So thank goodness he's okay. And another thing I want to say, before you guys go piling on Blockhead, let's remember, Blockhead is a great builder. I am a fan of his work. We know high performance builds, especially an innovative new custom build like this, they sometimes fail. They sometimes have problems. We planned on keeping this a secret, but at the St. Pete Bike Fest, another YouTuber, seems like a nice guy, I met him briefly, somehow got back in the service department, and nobody here at the dealership, including the owner, knows how he got back there and broke the news.
We're gonna check out Blockhead's build. It's in shambles, y'all. Sorry, Blockhead. Hopefully she gets up and running again. I see some stuff back there too. Well, hopefully that thing gets back up and running.
All right, so let's do what that gentleman did. Let's take a walk back to service. This is an authorized walk. We did ask for permission, and let's take a look at what is left of this motorcycle. Yikes, we are in shambles. We are ready to dissect this thing and figure out what went wrong. Well, here's the good news. Jamie from Moonshine Horsepower has decided to come on board and help us put the finishing touches on this machine. And I just spoke to Jamie on the phone, and they're gonna take this thing to a whole nother level. They're talking about really breaking the internet. They're talking about making 280 horsepower. This bike's gonna get a $900 set of pistons, a bunch of custom parts. It's gonna be bulletproof, because if you don't know Jamie, I know Jamie very well from the motorcycle drag races, and drag bike racers are used to this kind of thing. This is what a weekend sometimes looks like at the drags in between qualifying runs. You tear it down, the bike fails when you push it to the limits. But here's the good news. Jamie is gonna put a max ECU on this bike with a flex fuel option where you can run it on pump gas. We're gonna take some trips up to Moonshine Horsepower and see how they dial this thing in. Watch them put it on the dyno. You know, like I said, talking with Jamie, he said this bottom end is gonna be absolutely bulletproof. I can't wait to see what he comes up with, and it's gonna be very, very safe. And that's good news for you, because guess what? You can own this bike. The way you can own this bike is down below. We have linked Bert's Salute to America, where you can get a raffle ticket, and this is the charity. I've spoken about it a lot on Cycle Drag. This is a great charity. I've watched Bert take this money and give it to people in need, whether it be from hurricanes or whether it be given to the homeless vets. Bert does it all, and it's for a great cause. So let's, again, just take a look at this thing. This could be yours, ladies and gentlemen. 2022 Road Glide that they hope to make 280 horsepower with. Again, big shout out to Moonshine. He got it here, but we're just going to tweak it and take it to that next level to make sure whoever ends up with this bike will be happy with a reliable, streetable machine. So we've got more coming, so make sure you guys stay with us. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle so you don't miss a video. Make sure to hit that link down below. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles, we're in. From Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson. Cycle Drag rolls on.